Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download iQIYI application on your mobile device. Whether you are using iPhone or Android, this video will walk you through the steps. First of all, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store on your mobile device. In the search box, type in iQIYI and search. Look for this application that says iQIYI Dramas, Animes, Shows and tap on the Get or the Install button to start downloading the app on your mobile device. If prompted, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID or your password and let the application begin the download process. In a while, you should be able to download the app. Tap on Open once it is done. You can then go ahead and create a new account for iQIYI or log into your existing account. That is how you easily install iQIYI application on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.